these were very dusty, so I washed these and I put them back in. So these rods, I'm going to shift them one place. So they were originally here. One is here, the other one is here. But because these old screws are like broken and like jammed inside, I'm going to shift them one step behind. So here and here, same with here. So here and here, this is jammed. Only one of the holes is actually free. All the others are jammed. So I'm going to fit these. Oops. Okay, I have attached, I've extended some loose wires. These were the wires that came with the fan. So I have used some extra wires and took them out from here. I'm going to fix this now, and this is going to be sort of permanent. I will not be able to remove this without probably damaging it, or I don't know, because everything is tightened and everything is sealed off, so it's not going to be easy to remove, and I won't need to remove also because I have all the wires here. If I need to remove the connection, I can just disconnect from these wires. Okay, I have fit this. I will have to put this inside and use zip ties to tie them up. Putting camera is sort of difficult. Let's see. Right. By the way, if you have used up zip ties, you don't have to throw them away. You can just do this. Use something sharp and tiny and just lift the thing, the clip sort of thing that holds the zip tie together, and then just pull it off. Yeah, and you have zip ties again. Okay, I guess I'll put one here and one here. I wish I had some help, dude. Somebody help me. I only used 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 of them already makes it strong. It's not touching anywhere. So now I have to do the cabling. So if I disconnect these, that will give power to the fan. So this gives power to the pump and this swing thing. So there is only one hole. This used to be inside this. I put this inside this, so I'll probably have to make another hole here in order to bring this cable outside. Okay, I'm done giving connections. So these are connected to this that came with the fan, and I have removed the wire. I have removed this cable which was going from the mains to the fan that came with the cooler. So I have put this back and the power is on. I have also, so I made the second hole and put back the cable that I cut from it and gave connection to that. So here, and this is going to the mains, the total connection of this. And so I've braided these two cables together, and I put a ziplock there, and the power is on. Also I have attached this complicated looking thing here. I had to put washers here because there needs to be space in the bottom for the switch to click. Okay, anyway, the fan is working. I will probably cut these outer sticks to reduce the resistance of airflow. So when I was using the table fan as it is, I removed this front part because it was reducing the airflow. I'll show you it. So here it is. So because of this, at least 30% of airflow was being reduced. After I removed this, I got like 25% more airflow. So this is almost done. What I need to do now is I have to connect this the top lid and this pipe. I have to connect this pipe to this, and then I have to put this on this and add water and see if the pump is working as expected.